India plans to launch government-backed digital money with the digital version of its currency, the rupee. Making the announcement last week, the country's finance minister said the move would strengthen the country's online economy.
Introduction of a central bank digital currency will give a big boost to digital economy. Digital currency will also lead to a more efficient and cheaper currency management system. It is therefore proposed to introduce digital rupee using blockchain and other technologies to be issued by the Reserve Bank of India starting 2022 and 23.
Details of the government's plan still have to be worked out, even though officials hope to launch a test program within just a couple of months. India's digital currency would likely rank as one of the most notable in the world, along with China's. With us now on more on that move toward a digital currency is our CBN News financial editor, Drew Parkhill. I like to call Drew Money. The Indian finance minister said in that soundbite that they're introducing a central bank digital currency. Exactly what's that?
Okay, let's take a look. It's called a CBDC. So let me just put that on the screen so people understand. CBDC is central bank digital currency. In other words, it would be just an online version, Ephraim, of the money you spend. Instead of paper, instead of coins, it would all be online. It would be the official government currency, but the online version of it. Now, the idea in some quarters is that down the road, all transactions are going to be online. All transactions are going to be digital, and paper money would then ultimately go away, and CBDCs, central bank digital currencies, would be a big step toward that.
Are there concerns in India over this program?
There are concerns, and not only in India, but these concerns have been raised with the Indian program because, as you said, the details of this are not clear. So what about privacy? Can the government track everything you do online if it's a purely digital currency? Who's going to be able to watch all this? Will it only be businesses? Will it be banks? Will it be the government? How much privacy will you have? So this is a big concern. It's not only in India. China, of course, is moving in this direction, and there's concerns about that there as well.
What about the United States? Will we be moving to anything like this?
Well, as a matter of fact, I have here the Federal Reserve just issued this last month. It's called the Money and Payments, the U.S. dollar in an age of digital transformation. As you can see, it's not short. But basically, they didn't rush into this, okay? They're taking their time. They're exploring their options. A lot of countries around the world are. Some countries have already established this. I mean, Bahamas has a thing called the sand dollar, which is a flat-out CBDC, and it's already operating and so forth. The U.S. is moving this direction. It's not going to happen right away, but we are moving in that direction.
Real quick, don't want to sound alarmist. This sounds like end-time stuff, is it?
It is. And I'm the last person to get second coming fever. But in the book of Revelation, we see these verses in Revelation 13. The beast, also forced all people, great and small, rich and poor, free and slave, to receive a mark on their right hands or on their foreheads, so that they could not buy or sell unless they had the mark, which is the name of the beast or the number of its name. So the idea is there that with government control of digital currency, if they take you out of the system, you're gone.
All right, be watching. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Drew Money, that is.